How to restore files with file history on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to bring back files using a previous backup. First, click the Start button. Type Restore Files and open Restore Your Files with File History. After that, navigate to the folder where the deleted file used to be. From there, use the left and right arrows at the bottom to browse through different backup versions. At this point, select the file or folder you want to restore. In the next step, click the green Restore button at the bottom. Following this, if a file with the same name already exists, choose whether to replace it or keep both. Once done, the restored file will appear back in its original location. Keep in mind, file history only works if it was already turned on and backing up before the file was deleted. Finally, open the folder to confirm your file has been successfully restored. And that's it. If this guide helped you restore deleted files with file history on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.